Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to USN Mix channel. Today's topic is Google Doodle Labor Day. So Google makes this doodle for Labor Day 1st May, and 1st May is celebrated Labor Day in some countries like India, and Google make this doodle. So today we'll discuss about Labor Day Google Doodle. And this is the home page of Google, and you have seen there is one option, I am feeling lucky. Click on this button. You have seen this is the doodle of 1st May. So 1st May Labor Day doodle for Google. But going to this detail about this doodle, I want to say if you are new in our channel, then subscribe our channel. Science and technology related topics will be discussed in this channel. If you like our video and like our channel, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe and make comments, and also click on the bell button on the right side. If you click on the bell button, you will get notification for the next videos. So to get full information, please watch the video from the beginning to the end, otherwise you will not get the full information and miss many useful information on this topic. Okay friends, as usual you go to the main topic. So first know the definition of this doodle. What is the doodle? So go to the about, click on this about, and know doodles are fun, surprising and sometimes spontaneous changes that are made to the Google logo to celebrate holidays, anniversaries and the lives of famous artists, pioneers and scientists. So Google describes about the definition of this doodle is that they are celebrating these holidays, some special holidays and anniversaries and the lives of famous artists, pioneers, scientists, and sometimes and spontaneous changes. For this making changes in this Google doodle, so make is more fun, more and more surprising sometimes. So that is the in this definition Google describes about this doodle. And now the question is, how did the idea for doodle originate? In 1998, before the company was even incorporated, the concept of this doodle was born when Google founders Larry and Sergey played with a corporate logo to indicate their attendance at the Burning Man festival in the Nevada desert. And they placed a stick figure drawing behind the second O in the word Google, and revised logo was intended as a comical message to Google users that the founder were out of office. While the first doodle was relatively simple, the idea decorating the company logo to celebrate notable events was born. 2 years later, in 2000, and Larry and Sergey asked current webmaster Dennis Huang, an interim at the time, to produce a doodle for Bastille Day. It was so well received by our users that Dennis was appointed Google's chief doodler, and doodles started showing up more and more regularly on the Google homepage. In the beginning, the doodles mostly celebrated similar holidays. Nowadays, they highlighted wide array of events and anniversaries, from the birthday of John James Outbundon to this ice cream sundae. Over time, the demand for doodles have risen in the US and internationally, and creating doodles is now the responsibility of the team of talented illustrators, we can them doodlers and engineers. For them, creating doodles has become a group efforts to enliven the Google homepage and bring smiles to the faces of Google's users around the world. So they make this doodle to make fun and surprising to all the users of this Google. And now next question is, how many doodles has Google done over the year? The team has created over 4,000 doodles for our homepage around the world. So 4,000 doodles already make for this homepage, for Google homepage around the world. Who choose the what doodles will be created, and how do you decide which events will be received doodles? A group of Googlers get together regularly to brainstorm and decide which events will be celebrated with a doodle. The idea for doodles comes from numerous sources, including Google's and Google users. The doodle selection process aims to celebrate interesting events and anniversaries that reflect Google's personality and love for innovation. And now the next question is, who designed the doodles? There is a team of illustrators, we call them doodlers, and engineers that are behind each and every doodle you see. So the doodlers and engineers make these doodles for this fun and surprising doodles to make fun to every users or worldwide. And now the next question is, how can Google users, the public, submit ideas for doodles? The Doodle team is always excited to hear ideas from users. They can email doodle proposals at google.com with ideas for the next Google Doodle. The team receives hundreds of requests every day, so we unfortunately cannot respond to everyone, but rest assured that we are reading them. So thousands of ideas getting this in this email, and you can send this email also, but Google team will decide how to what will be make doodles, so in which topic. So they will assure that, but be assured that they will receive this your email and your ideas. So this is all about this doodle definition, and this is all about the doodle detail. Now see this doodle archive. So today this is the doodle. We have seen this Labor Day 2000 multiple and 1st May, and this is more doodle details. So today is Labor Day 2020 multiple. This is the doodle, looks like that. And now know the detail about this doodle. Also known as May Day or International Workers' Day, Labor Day is celebrated on 1st May in many countries around the world. And Google's doodle celebrated the day by illustrating a handful of the many professions across the labor force. Recognized around the world, Labor Day originated from the 19th century labor movement, first declared a holiday by trade unions in 1889. So it is the previous 100 years. Okay? So Labor Day commemorates workers' right and the fight for weekends, better working conditions, and shorter working days. So this is the benefit for this labor who are workers. Here is everyone contributing the livelihoods of those around them each and every day. So happy Labor Day. So on this topic, Google made this doodle. And doodle reach. So this doodle reach in this see, this is the map of this world, and you have seen this is the Argentina and all the Venezuela and Mexico and all these countries receive this, Colombia, Peru, Bolivia, Argentina. So all these countries reach this, France, Serbia, and this Lithuania and Estonia, all this, Thailand, Malaysia, and Philippines, and also South Korea. So all these countries receive this doodle for today. This country celebrated this 1st May, and this for this doodle, this day in history. So this is the Labor Day 2011. This is the Labor Day for 19. In the previous years, this doodle is on this home page of Google. Labor Day 2019, and World Expo in Shanghai. So this is these two only, the Labor Day, and this is the another, this 160th anniversary of the World First Fair. This is the Mahmoud Soko's 102th birthday, and this is the World Expo opens in Shanghai. This is the Labor Day 2017. So this is the 2017 home page, Labor Day on Google, and this is the 1st May people 2017, Mother's Day 2016, Spain, Portugal, and Lithuania. The doodles depends on the country basis. So not all countries are showing the same doodles, but according to the country's popular day and popular artist, popular scientist, and popular pioneers, Google make this doodle for this only about this country. And this is the 175th anniversary of this penny black stamp. So so this is the doodle archive, and this is the Workers' Day, Labor Day 2012. So this is logo is made on 2012 logo of Google. This is Labor Day of 2010, Labor Day 13. This is Labor Day 15. So and remember Y Kajal's 160th birthday. This is the Afandi's 110th birthday. Google Allen's 2000, and this is the Labor Day 2000 France. So this doodle is only selected for France. So all these are the doodles achieved, and good doodle make these for this celebrating the artist, for celebrating the celebrating holidays, anniversaries, and lives of famous artists, pioneers, and scientists, for making more fun, surprising, and sometimes spontaneous changes are made for this Google logo to celebrate this type of holidays and anniversaries, to make fun, and for this worldwide Google users can see this. So this is about this Google Archive and Google's, and now we have seen this is the Google's Labor Day. This is the 2019's Women's Cup Day. So this is all about the Labor Day doodle. You have seen the previous this is the doodle for, and this is the previous Clara Rockmore's Stay at Home. So this is the doodles achieve, and you can see, but today's doodle is that this is the Labor Day 2020's doodle for Google. And that's it about our topics today. And after watching this, know that you know the detail about what is the doodle and what is the Labor Day doodle, and about Doodles Archive, Google Doodle Archive. So I think you like this video and you enjoy this video very much. So thanks for watching this video. And if you like our video and our channel, then you can like, share, subscribe of our UserMix YouTube channel. And if you have any information regarding this video or want to ask more, then you can make comments in the comment section on this video of UserMix YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Once again, thank you.